thought I was standing alone. A single spark, a distant flame. But the veil began to fall away, and I remembered my true name. Not separate, not divided, no edge where I begin or end. One life moving through all things, the same light in every friend. The illusion fades, the truth appears, no distance left, no walls of fear. One soul breathing through us all, as every boundary starts to fall. I felt your sorrow as my own. Your joy was never far from me. Every heart a mirror held of one eternal unity. What I once called mine alone was always shared, was always wide. Time and space begin to soften as the soul stands unified. The illusion fades, the truth appears, no distance left, no walls of fear. One soul breathing through us all, as every boundary starts to fall. No past to buy, no future pull, only this eternal flow. Ignorance dissolves in light, and all there is begins to show. The illusion fades, the truth is clear, nothing lost and nothing feared. One life moving through all form, in endless, boundless